I may have the hiccups. There is no way I'm streaming Valorant tomorrow. I'll play with them, but I don't know if I can stream it. My face is starting to get numb, but we will play this game. Hold on. Sorry. Oh no. Hold my breath. They're gone. They're gone. Did you know that if you have enough thinking power, you can get rid of hiccups? It's actually not that hard.
Eventually.
Thanks. I can't get rid of them.
Thank you. You seem distracted.
You gotta scream as loud as you can. All right, hold on. I'm drunk enough. Let me go over here. Hold on. It's not working. It's not working. Sorry, everyone.